Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss lesson 3, Working of a Computer. A computer is a machine like other machines. It works on 3 basic steps. First one input, second process, third output. We can understand the above 3 terms with the use of following examples. Impure water is input to filter. Filtering of water is process. After process, we are getting pure water, that is output. In second example, cloth piece, thread, buttons are input to the tailor. Stitching is process. After stitching, ready dress is output. Let's discuss input, process, output for a computer. When we enter data and instruction into the computer, it is called input. Input is provided to the computer through keyboard and mouse. What is process in computer? Working on data is called processing. The CPU acts on data to give the desired result. Can you imagine what is output in computer? Yeah, output means final result. When a computer finishes the processing, we get the results. The common output devices are monitor and the printer. Let's make clear with example. First example. Our data is 7 and 5. We are going to add 7 and 5, that is instruction to the computer. Here, what is process? The working of computer on the data according to instruction, that is the addition of two numbers 7 and 5. After process, we are getting the result 12, that is output. Open your mobile calculator and try this after watching this video and find out what is input, process and output. For second example, I will take one Excel sheet. Input data is Rohit, Ankit, Sonam, Pankaj and Bunty. Input instruction is arrange in alphabetical order. For this input, process is the working of computer on data according to the instruction, that is arrangement in alphabetical order. Words in alphabetical order is output, that is A for Ankit, B Bunty, P Pankaj and fourth one is R Rohit, last one is Sonam. Dear students, these are the things to remember from this video. Computer and other machines work on 3 basic steps. What are they? Input, process, output. Second, when we enter data and instruction into the computer, it is called input. Third, working on data is called processing. Fourth point, output means final results. Last point, monitor and printer are the output devices.
We shall now move on to exercises. Let's begin with tick the correct option. First question is, when we enter data and instructions into the computer, it is called option A, input, option B, process, option C, output, and the right option is option A, input. Second question is, which part of computer acts on data? Option A, keyboard, Option B, monitor. Option C, CPU. And the right option is option C, CPU. Third question is, which one is an output device? Option A, mouse. Option B, keyboard. Option C, monitor. And the right option is option C, monitor. We shall now begin write true or false. First statement is, clean clothes are the output of washing machine. And yes, it is true. Second statement is, a computer is a machine. And yes, this is also true. Third statement is, data typed in a computer is called output. Oops, it is false. The right statement here is, data typed in a computer is called input. Fourth statement is, when a computer works on the data, it is called processing. And yes, this is true. Fifth statement is, we get input from the computer. Oops, this is false. And the right statement here is, we get input from the keyboard. Now let's move on to write fill in the blanks. Here are 4 options given. We have to choose the right option and fill it in the blank spaces. First statement is, data provided to a computer is called dash. And the right answer is, data provided to a computer is called input. Second statement is, computer works on the data according to the given dash. And the right answer is, computer works on the data according to the given instructions. Third statement is, dash is the result given by a computer. And the right answer is, output is the result given by a computer. Fourth statement is, we generally input data through dash and mouse. And the right answer is, we generally input data through keyboard and mouse. We shall now move on to the next exercise. Take help from your elders to open the calculator program and try to solve the given sums. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.